A quick note on supplementation. If you're supplementing your breastfed baby with either breast milk, express breast milk, or formula, for whatever reason that may be, it could be that baby is having latching challenges, or the milk transfer is not quite as desired, or the baby is slow to gain weight. Whatever the reason may be, it is usually best to start with smaller, frequent top-up volumes rather than big top-up volumes. Spreading smaller, frequent top-up volumes across the day can help to protect breastfeeding and milk supply. It can tide the baby just over to the next feed, but still be interested in feeding again 1.5 to 3 hours later, still be interested in coming back to the breast and stimulating the breast rather than giving large top-up volumes, and then perhaps the baby not being interested in feeding so soon after.